Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Wang. I'm going to record the data of an experiment. So this experiment is Isotopes of Pennium Lab. So before you continue to watch this short video, you need to read this front page. Okay, read front page. And then you continue. So pause, read, and then continue. So you are going to see all those pennies. So those pennies are single atoms of an element. We call them pennium. So remember, each penny represents the single atom of this element. And then you need to write the number of the penny and then copy down the year here. So like 1 is 1962, write down this one. Soon I'm going to weigh them for you. So pause at this one, record this part, and then I'm going to move up, and then you write all this part. So you can pause your video, make sure you have all of that. Okay, once you are done, continue the video to see how I'm going to weigh all those pennies. When you weigh those pennies, you write them here. You write the gram of each penny here. Okay, so here is the scale. You can see. Forgive me for adjusting this one. Takes a little bit of time. Okay, move a little bit further. Okay. So now you can see these are zeroed. So this one is penny number 1. So when you see this one, record the data. Penny number 2. Penny number 3. Penny number 4. Penny number 5. Penny number 6. Penny number 7. Penny number 8. I hope you noticed a change of the weight of the atom. Okay. Number 9. Number 10. Sorry. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Number 16. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. And then the last one, number 20. Okay, so everyone, this is all the data you needed for this experiment. And then the rest of the part are careful calculations. Make sure you follow all the instructions and then reach out to your teacher or your peers for help. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.